Ever wondered what the future of transportation looks like? Picture this, vehicles soaring through the sky, setting off from rooftops and landing vertically on helipads. It's not science fiction, it's VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing vehicles. These marvels of engineering are set to redefine our commute and the entire transportation landscape. As we approach 2024, we're on the cusp of a new era in mobility. VTOLs are gearing up to hit the market, promising faster, safer, and more efficient travel than ever before. From compact personal air taxis to larger cargo carriers, a variety of VTOLs are in the pipeline, ready to take flight. But what makes these machines so special? How are they going to transform our travel experiences? And most importantly, which VTOLs should we be looking forward to in the coming year? Brace yourselves, folks. It's time to delve deeper and learn about these fascinating machines. In the realm of futuristic transportation, VTOLs are set to redefine mobility. But what exactly are VTOLs? Short for vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, VTOLs are an intriguing blend of the familiar and the futuristic. They are vehicles that have the ability to ascend, descend, and hover directly upwards or downwards. This is due to their unique design, which allows them to lift off vertically, much like a helicopter, but then transition to forward flight with the speed and efficiency of an airplane. This dual capability holds the potential to revolutionize our transportation systems. Picture this. A world where city skies are filled with VTOLs, smoothly transporting people from rooftop to rooftop, bypassing the traffic jams and congestion below. Or imagine a world where critical supplies can be delivered to remote locations, irrespective of the terrain. That's the promise of VTOLs. But why are VTOLs considered a game changer in the transportation sector? Well, the answer is simple. They offer the convenience of helicopters without requiring a runway for takeoff or landing, combined with the speed and efficiency of airplanes. This could mean reduced travel times, increased accessibility, and a more connected world. Moreover, with advancements in technology, many VTOLs are being designed to run on electric power, potentially making air travel more sustainable and less noisy. VTOLs also have a wide range of potential uses. They could serve as air taxis in urban areas, provide emergency medical services, facilitate military missions, aid in disaster relief, and even play a role in space exploration. The possibilities are truly endless. However, it's important to note that while the concept of VTOLs is not new, their widespread adoption has been held back by various challenges. These include technological hurdles, regulatory issues, and public acceptance. But as we move towards a more technologically advanced future, these challenges are being addressed, paving the way for a new era of mobility. Now that we have a basic understanding of VTOLs, let's examine some of the exciting models set to launch in 2024. The year 2024 is poised to be a landmark year for VTOLs, with several intriguing models ready for takeoff. As we move into this thrilling era, let's delve into some of the most promising VTOLs on the horizon. First up, we have the Aerofly AFX-1. This sleek, futuristic model is all about speed. With a top speed of 200 miles per hour, it's looking to be the fastest bird in the sky. Its unique selling point? A hybrid propulsion system that promises to decrease noise pollution significantly. However, it's worth noting that the Aerofly AFX-1 might face challenges in battery life and recharging infrastructure. Next up, we have the Skycar M400. This four-seater VTOL is designed for urban commuting. Its unique selling point is its compact design, making it ideal for tight city spaces. The Skycar M400 also boasts an impressive safety system, featuring multiple redundancies. However, it's worth noting that the Skycar M400 has a relatively slower speed compared to other VTOLs. Then, there's the Helijet HJX7. This model is all about luxury. It's designed to offer a first-class flying experience, replete with plush interiors and a panoramic view. The Helijet HJX7's unique selling point is its spacious cabin that can comfortably seat 6 passengers. However, it does come with a hefty price tag, which might be a drawback for some potential buyers. The fourth VTOL on our list is the Phoenix P300, a model that prioritizes efficiency over everything else. It's designed to be the most energy-efficient VTOL on the market, with a unique selling point of extended flight time. However, the Phoenix P300's emphasis on efficiency could potentially compromise on speed and overall performance. Lastly, we have the Falcon F10. This VTOL is all about flexibility. It's designed to operate in various environments, from urban skyscrapers to rural landscapes. The Falcon F10's unique selling point is its adaptability. However, its jack-of-all-trades approach could mean it doesn't excel in any particular area. So there you have it. 5 promising VTOLs, each with its unique features and selling points but also with their own set of potential drawbacks. The Aerofly AFX-1 with its speed and quiet operation, the compact and safety-conscious Skycar M400, the luxurious Helijet HJX-7, the efficient Phoenix P300, and the adaptable Falcon F-10. Each of these VTOLs offers something unique, but they also have their own set of challenges. As we move forward into this exciting era of air mobility, it will be fascinating to see which of these VTOLs takes off and which ones need to return to the drawing board. While VTOLs promise a revolution in transportation, they must first overcome several hurdles. Indeed, the journey towards the widespread use of vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, or VTOLs, is not without its share of challenges. Let's take a closer look at some of these hurdles and how they might be tackled. Firstly, there's the regulatory landscape. For VTOLs to become a reality, a comprehensive and globally harmonized regulatory framework needs to be in place. This involves not just the approval of the aircraft themselves, but also the establishment of air traffic management systems for low-altitude airspace. It's a complex task, but the good news is that progress is being made. Organizations like the Federal Aviation Administration in the United States and the European Union Aviation Safety Agency are already working on guidelines. Then, there are safety concerns. VTOLs will need to be as safe, if not safer, than conventional aircraft. This means robust testing and certification processes. The industry is also exploring technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning to enhance safety. For instance, these technologies can be used to develop advanced collision avoidance systems. Next up, technological barriers. VTOLs require a significant amount of power to take off and land vertically, and current battery technology may not be up to the task. However, advancements in energy storage and propulsion systems are promising. Companies are exploring options like solid-state batteries and hybrid electric propulsion, which could provide the necessary power while also being more environmentally friendly. Lastly, there's the issue of public acceptance. Like with any new technology, people will need to feel comfortable and confident with VTOLs. This will require a combination of education, transparent communication, and demonstration of the technology's safety and benefits. Despite these challenges, the future of VTOLs looks promising. The hurdles are substantial, but with the pace of technological advancement and the commitment of both industry and regulatory bodies, VTOLs are poised to transform the way we think about transportation. The road may be long, but the destination is worth it. As we look forward to 2024, the future of transportation is in the skies. The dawn of vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, more commonly known as VTOLs, is upon us. This rapidly emerging technology promises to revolutionize our daily commutes, redefine our cities, and transform the way we think about mobility. Let's take a moment to recap what we've discussed. We've explored the cutting-edge VTOL designs coming to market in 2024, analyzed their unique features, and compared their performance metrics. We've also delved into the challenges that these pioneers of the sky are facing, such as regulatory hurdles, safety concerns, and technical barriers. But these challenges are not insurmountable. They are just stepping stones on the path of progress. But what does this brave new world of mobility mean for our society and our environment? The long-term impact of VTOLs is speculative at best, but we can make educated guesses based on current trends. With VTOLs, we can expect a significant reduction in traffic congestion on our roads. This will not only save us precious time but also lead to a decrease in road accidents. As a result, our cities will become safer and more efficient. Moreover, with the right policies and regulations in place, VTOLs could also contribute to reducing our carbon footprint. By leveraging renewable energy sources and developing more efficient propulsion systems, these flying vehicles could be a part of the solution to our climate crisis. However, it's not just about the environmental or societal impacts. The rise of VTOLs will also spur economic growth. It will create new jobs, stimulate innovation, and open up new markets. The sky, quite literally, is a new frontier waiting to be explored. So as we stand on the cusp of this new era, let's embrace the change with open minds and cautious optimism. The road ahead is filled with uncertainties and challenges, but also with limitless possibilities and opportunities. As we venture into this new era of mobility, one thing is certain: the sky is no longer the limit.